Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, taking a look at the markets. We see Bitcoin currently at 95,000 again, insane. Let's take a look here at the charts. Here we see consolidation range. Like this range is proven valid. If we go to the weekly time frame as well, we can see we've seen this range since November of 2024. Okay, it's been in range ever since. And if we go to the daily, we see it's respecting these levels. So the 107,000 level and about the 91,000 level, we're seeing multiple rejection levels at that point, guys. So right now it looks like we're taking a pull back down towards about 91,000. And I guess the only way you could be sure that we're making new highs is if we break a high point. So pulling over here, we can see where is that high, where is that level we need to be looking for. That would be right here. So right here you can kind of put a level across so you guys can know, okay, this level breaks, I know what's going on, right? So we're bearish, we're not bearish overall, of course we're bullish overall, but bearish short term until we break this level, and that level happens to be about $99,000. Psychologically, you can just say over 100, right? But based on the technicals, based on the price action, we can see right around 99,000 would be that level that needs to be broken in order for us to continue on the uptrend. Now, with that being said, it's okay. This is opportunity. And the sentiment that we're getting now is a lot of uncertainty. And that's the sentiment that we love. I love when people are saying, oh, I told you that crypto stuff isn't going to work, because most people got in. And the notion was when President Trump, who's a pro-crypto president, the first pro-crypto president, steps into office, then we're going to see an entire wave and ultimately triggering the bull market. Because right on paper, fundamentally, that's what it would take to trigger the bull run. And it didn't happen that way. A slight pump up, and not even immediate, maybe a couple weeks after he was actually stepped into office. Got a pump up. We shot up over the end of January, shot up. So about 109,000 at the high. It wicked up there during the day, but didn't close up there. And then we've pretty much been in limbo ever since in this range. This range is okay, guys. This range is okay. A lot of people got in expecting to make quick money. They're not making the quick money that they wanted. Now crypto doesn't work. Now, oh, I'm done with that crypto stuff. And some people will never get into the markets again until it's too late. They'll get in the FOMO period, which will be at the worst prices and won't make the gains that they'd like to make. And more times than not, they'll enter during the FOMO period, right? And it'll be like the end of the bull cycle, only to pull back, and they'll be in the same situation that they were again, on a pullback again, still at a loss. The crypto stuff doesn't work. And the ones that have hodled, the ones that have weathered this storm, are typically the ones who make crazy gains, guys. So this is what we're seeing at Bitcoin. Just wanted to go over that. And looking at crypto bubbles, most of the market is pulling back, which is okay. Most of the market pulling back, it's okay. We have XPR. Guys, people are going to mistake this for XRP and thinking they're getting an XRP at 0.005. Watch. Almost guaranteed. People are going to see this and think that, oh, this is that XRP they're talking about. It's so cheap. They're going to get in. Wrong project. And they're going to make a mistake. I guarantee you this is going to happen. I guarantee it. So I have been looking at Supra oracles, which is almost like Chainlink, does similar things to Chainlink, except apparently it's faster and for a fraction of the price. I'm waiting for Supra to drop below a penny, and we're going to scoop up a bag. Just waiting for that. We'll see if that plays out. Don't want to buy Supra anything above a penny. Just don't want to do it. This is just a project we're looking at. We'll actually do a review on it. Talk about why Supra, what is Supra, so you guys can understand it. They haven't been doing terrible marketing. Let's just call it what it is. Terrible marketing, great tech. US based. Huge upside. They are operating just like Chainlink, if not better. So pay attention to Supra. I am, and I think there's a ton of opportunity there. We're going to dive into that this week. You'll see a video come out about that this week. But like I said, for the most part, looking at crypto bubbles, most of the market is pulling back. We've scooped up a bag of ICP. We'll do a video on ICP as well, so you guys can see. We talked about ICP back when it was like 10. I think it was $10. Yeah, about $10. We're like, yeah, I don't want to buy at that price. Pull back, start accumulating as low as we accumulate at this point about $6. Been accumulating this range the whole time, guys. So for the past week or two, we've been accumulating ICP. Huge opportunity there as well. And the reason why I say that is because ICP has never been through a bull run. We've said this before. ICP's never been through a bull run. We'll talk about ICP and kind of give you guys our why behind ICP as well. So stay tuned for that video as well. Looking at some most recent news, we're seeing a lot of companies and countries and states talk about how the money should be ran, the treasury should be ran on a blockchain. So executive director here of Wyoming Stablecoin Commission, Stable Token Commission, Anthony Apollo said real-time traceable ecosystem is exponentially better than the current system. So the executive director here is saying their impending launch of its fully backed compliant stablecoin would lay the groundwork for the state's treasurer's office to run on blockchain. Big, guys. When asked, he said, "I certainly think so. I think there's a need for transparency across government spending," echoing Elon Musk's call for the U.S. federal treasury to be put on a blockchain. It's happening. This is happening. Why is this happening? Because you have Elon Musk, who runs DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency, saying that the government sends $162 billion in errors payments in just 1 year. Is that right? Billion. Yes, that's billion. $162 billion in wrong payments in 1 year. And they wonder why people don't want to pay taxes. They wonder why. So the U.S. Government Accountability Office says the federal government made massive payment errors during the 2024 fiscal year. A new report says Congressional Watchdog says the total dollar value of the government's improper payments hit $162 billion. The payment errors can be anything between unintentional administrative errors and fraud. The payments can in excess of what is due or underpayments where recipients did not receive the money they were due. They can also be unknown payments where an agency cannot determine whether the bill is proper or improper due to documentation issues, or technically improper payments where recipients got the correct amount of money, but the payout did not meet one or more government requirements. Crazy. And so this aligns exactly with why people are saying put it on the blockchain where it's transparent. Right now they're dealing with paper. They're not even dealing with like the ledger system that they're using. It's not even it's just a free for all. It's a free for all. It's dated, right? Put it on the blockchain, utilize the tech, right? Not just because it'll increase the token's utility. It's because the technology that's there is by far the more superior way to do things, right? And it's transparent. You can't change it. Once it's there, it's there. So that's why there's a big push for Cardano. That's why you're seeing a big push for Hedera. That's why you're seeing a big push for blockchains to just take over. And really here they're saying they're calling on federal agencies to revamp its bookkeeping protocols to alleviate the country's dire financial issues. Here he's saying this: it's vital that the United States remains in a strong economic position to meet the social security needs, as well as preserve flexibility to address unforeseen events such as economic downturns and large-scale disasters, guys. This is crazy. This is big. This is showing the need for the blockchain. It's coming. So we talk about why. Like, why are the treasuries looking to go this way, right? And you see here career treasury officials breaking the law every hour, every day by approving payments that are fraudulent, do not match the funding laws passed by Congress. Elon Musk says that, right? And they're showing you why. They're finding improper spending that crypto, that blockchain technology can solve. Guys, the writing's on the wall. You have an opportunity to be ahead of this technology that's going to change the way we do everything. It's going to change voting. It's going to change government spending. It's going to change how we interact, how you're able to, see who owns the real estate, right? Who really owns this real estate, right? The ledgers that the blockchain provides, that's immutable, that can't be changed, is going to set the tone on how we interact and how we do business and how we operate globally. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.